Walgreens deals of the week. This week at Walgreens, I did this transaction and it came out to almost no cost. So check it out. What I used today for this purchase was a paper coupon of $7. Of $5. And then I used a digital perk or a booster of $7 that we all have in our accounts this week. So that was going to give me back already $12 before even getting started. So here's a transaction. I picked up 2 of the big roll Walgreens brand papers, which has 4 each, and it comes out 2 for $5. The Dove is $7 each one this week. 7 times 2 is 14. There is a $5 digital coupon that comes off, and you also get $5 back in a registered reward, making the total cost for this product just $4 or $2 each. I also picked up 2 items from Oral-B. I picked up a Pro Health toothpaste for $4 and a Scope Crest toothpaste for $3.50. And I used 1 digital coupon that I had on my application for $1 only. Now I did get back $3 in a registered reward for having purchased 2 of these items. Next, I picked up 2 of these sunflower seed kernels. They're at 99 cents each, and I just needed to get to my threshold, so that's why I picked 2. The last item I picked up was the Rinse and Refresh Downy Softener, and it's just, I love it. It was $7.49, but I had a $2.55 digital coupon that came off of that. After using 2 registered rewards from prior purchases to help lower the cost, a $5 and a $4 registered reward, I was left to pay $18.42 before taxes. But remember, I got back those $12 from the 2 perks that I used, the $7 and the $5 perks. And I also got back $5 from the 2 Dove and $3 from the 2 Crest items. So it was a really, really great deal. Hope you get yours, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions.